And welcome back to Everyman RV. Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, Washington, which is about a mile west of the Washington-Idaho border. Brett's has multiple locations throughout Washington, Idaho, and Montana, selling everything from travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, boats, and cargo trailers. You can see their new and used inventory right now at brettsrv.com. In the meantime, here's today's feature presentation.
How's it going, guys? It's Trevor at Brett's RV in Liberty Lake, Washington. Today I have for you a 2022 GEO Pro made by Forest River. It's a Rockwood G20FBS model. Starting here at the front, we have the hard cap with the window. You got a great aerodynamic design. At a dry weight of 3,400 pounds, a lot of different vehicles can tow this. And looking down here, you have your electronic tongue jack, which makes it real easy to get on and off the hitch. Here in the back, guys, we have a rear view camera that's already installed. You have your outdoor ladder that gets you onto the roof for your maintenance. You have an outdoor hot-cold shower, which is great for washing off the bikes or washing off the dogs after a long day at the beach. Along with all the other features, we have a 14-foot awning outside here, which is great for putting your picnic table under or your lawn chairs and just hanging out in the shade. Another great thing about this GEO Pro, it comes with the beefed up tires, so you have a little more safety and you can go off-road more than you could on the other ones. How many times have you guys lost your keys at the beach or lost them while you're riding the four-wheeler or the motorcycle? This has a keyless entry, so even if you lose your keys, you can type in the code and get back into your unit. Another great feature is the outdoor grill. Anytime you're cooking proteins or asparagus or something that stinks, you don't want the indoor of your camper to smell like that for the next 2 days, so this is a great option to have. Look at this, solid stairs, not the little fold-out whimsical ones. I'm 300 pounds, and for me to walk up that, it feels great. We got a queen bed. You got your cabinets, you got your USB plug-ins, your outlets, you got extra storage above, you got extra storage below, and you even have a couple drawers down here. So a ton of storage space. We got a great little couch here that folds out into a bed. You got your cabinetry up top for some more storage. You got a microwave, you got your fridge, a 3-burner stove, and a big basin, single basin sink. As well as that, you got a couple drawers, more storage down below, and more storage up top with a radio and a TV. And to finish this up, we have the rear bathroom. You got the shower on the right, toilet with plenty of space around it. You got a sink with plenty of cabinetry above it. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the 2020 GEO Pro by Forest River Rockwood G20FBS. Visit us at brettsrv.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope to make another video for you.
Just another example of the cool stuff they have here at Brett's RV and Marine. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman RV. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.